not being very nice at all.
Yeah.
The other horses would be fine.
Tell him, buddy.
Hey.
Hey, 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 hey. It's all right, buddy.
Yeah.
It's all right, bud.
Kicks him in the face, it's okay.
Hey, you're doing a great job, buddy.
Good boy, Johnson.
You're doing a great job, buddy.
Good boy, buddy.
Walker. Hey.
You want to say hi to Hank? It's all right. It's all right, buddy. It's all right. He's trying to be nice. You're doing a good job, Mr. Hank. Hey. Donkey man. You're doing a great job, buddy. Hey. 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 You be nice. You be nice to the donkey. That's my friend. And you're going to be nice to him, okay? You're going to be nice to the donkey. Hey, Mr. T. Good boy, buddy. Good boy.
Pull him over a little.
Come on, bud.
Don't you guys want to smell each other or what?
It's all right, buddy. It's all right.
He's not being aggressive now.
I can pet the donkey. I can pet the horsies. Right? Everyone's friends.
So that's cool. Let's put him back in there, and that's just weird that he's not going after him right now.